In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Whitelist in Yahoo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, get to your mail settings, find the whitelist entry that's letting certain messages bypass your filters, and remove it safely. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the very top, type yahoo.com and press enter. If you're redirected to a regional Yahoo page, that's perfectly fine. The steps are the same. On the Yahoo homepage, look toward the upper right corner and find the sign in button. Click it, then follow the on-screen prompts to log in. Depending on your account's security, you might be asked for a verification code or to confirm on a trusted device. Give it a moment to complete the sign-in. Once you're signed in, head into Mail. You can usually find a mail link or icon near the top of the page. Clicking that opens your Yahoo Mail inbox. From here, go to the settings icon. It's the gear in the upper right of the Mail interface. Click the gear to open the Quick Settings panel, then choose More Settings at the bottom. This takes you to the full settings area where you can manage detailed options. On the left side, select Filters. Filters are rules that move or allow messages based on conditions, and a whitelist is often just a filter someone created to always allow messages from specific senders or domains. In the list of filters, look for the one labeled whitelist, or a similarly named rule that clearly allows certain senders to bypass other checks. Select that whitelist entry to bring up its details. Now remove it. Click Delete to remove the whitelist filter. You may see a confirmation prompt. Choose Delete again to confirm. Once deleted, the rule is gone, and Yahoo Mail will no longer treat those senders as always allowed via that filter. In most layouts, this change takes effect right away. If your screen doesn't refresh immediately, just wait a moment or navigate back to your inbox. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If you don't see a filter actually named whitelist, look for any rule that says something like match from is and move to inbox or mark as not spam. Those are common ways a whitelist is set up. Also, remember that deleting a whitelist can cause some messages to land in spam if they were relying on that rule. It's a good idea to keep an eye on your spam folder for a while and mark legitimate messages as not spam, so Yahoo learns your preferences. That's it. You opened Yahoo, signed in, went to Mail Settings, found Filters, selected the whitelist filter, and deleted it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Yahoo inbox.